Kia ora everyone, this is Jarom from Sport Spine. What we're going to do today is go over an exercise called sky punches. And the sky punches, the purpose for sky punches is to try and retrain the way that you use your shoulder so that you don't end up pulling down on your neck or in through your mid-back or in through your shoulder either. So this is good for people that have neck pain, mid-back pain or shoulder pain, or even if you have elbow or wrist pain, this can help reset the way that you use your shoulder. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the handle, and this is best done in front of a mirror to begin with. We're going to take the handle and we're going to look straight in front of the mirror, and what you want to see is what I call the barrel of the gun. So if you're looking in the mirror, you should be able to see straight down the barrel. When we do the movement, we don't want to let the barrel go up, twist in or out. So that's point number one. Point number two is that we want to put the elbow just sitting underneath the barrel of the gun, and we want to try and keep it at relative 90 degrees. So a common mistake that people make is when they go to do the movement, they start to twist because they're looking in the mirror and that looks straight, but they're twisting their shoulder back. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to take the barrel of the gun, the point of the elbow, and we want to try and keep a bit of pressure up against what I call the imaginary wall. So we don't want to push through the imaginary wall, but we want to keep pressure against the imaginary wall. And if you do the exercise correctly, when you're going up to just above your forehead, you should feel a struggle and then back down. And we're looking for the struggle out of that exercise. It should feel harder than it looks. So what will happen if you let your elbow up just a little bit, it'll feel very easy. You'll be able to kind of bounce that out and out wide. But what we're looking for is pressure up against that imaginary wall so that we feel the struggle as we're going up. And you want to maintain that all the way down. Now that's improved even more if you do a split stance. So if you do a split stance where your back leg is back like this and you've got some weight through your front leg, pressure against the imaginary wall, and we're pressing up and then coming back down. And we want to start off with 3 lots of 5 and work towards 3 lots of 15. Kia ora.